This meeting is being recorded.
Please mute everybody. Those who are on. Yeah. So here you can see, okay, here you can build a data table. Of that data table is there, output data table. By using this, we are just getting the data table value into the string. Of that, we are just printing it. See here in data table, you have to build the data table. We have already data table here: James, Robert, John, and all. This is the surname, and this is grade. Okay. So of that, we have a output data table and write line. Okay. So output data table, we know it takes a value from the data table and stores the data table into a string. After that, we are just writing it. That's all. Okay. Then coming to the lookup data table, see what it's doing. It is basically searching for a person who has a grade of 10. Okay, who has a grade of 10, and I want to save it. Okay. So this is a data table DT1 and lookup value is 10. Okay, this is a value I'm just looking for. And where I want to look, actually, I am looking into the column name called grade. Okay. And finally, what's the return value? Return value is name. That's all. Okay. I want to return a value. I want to get a name of the person in the grade name, grade, and the lookup value is 10. Okay. And we are just saving it here. What's the column name we are going to take? Name is a column name and saved into the variable called name. Okay. Column name. And then finally, we are writing the name over here. That's all. Okay. Again, clear the data table, output data table, lookup data table. And again, we try to execute the same function. Okay. In the data table. This time, what you are going to do? We are going to get the value and we are printed because we have already deleted the entire data. Now we can't get the value. We can't get the value. Okay. Nothing. Yeah, very simple. Let me execute so we can understand. Data table, data lookup is an activity which is useful to search a particular value in a data table by using a column name, and value, by using a column name and a value. After finding the value, if you want to retrieve another column value, I mean the row value, cell value of the another column, that can be done. Okay. You can go and check in output. Here you can see. Okay. So the total 3 rows are there: John, James, Robert. So what is the lookup value? Lookup value is 10. What is the name of the person? Name of the person is John. Hence it is showing John. But after that, what you are doing? We are just clearing the data table. That is the reason it is not showing any value. Okay. Any questions? I think Mallikarjun. No, I think Swami is asking this question, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Very simple. Let me explain once again. First, we are going to build the data table. In building the data table, we are entering a multiple rows. We have entered 3 rows. After entering 3 rows, I just use another activity called output data table. Output data table is an activity which is useful to retrieve the data from the data table and store into a string. After fetching the values and store into a string format, I will use a write line. Write line can be used to print the string. Okay, got it? Yeah. After writing the data, what I am going to do, I am going to add one more activity called lookup data table. Lookup data table contains these many strings, these many properties. The first property is a table name. We know already table name. What's the value you are looking for? 10. Okay. Which column we are going to look up? Column we are not mentioning. Column, okay. If the column variable, if you have created in here, we can specify. but you are not creating, right? Hence, we can use a column name. Name of the column is grade. Okay. Name of the column is grade. And then what's the value we are looking for? I am looking for the value is 10. Okay. What is the cell value after fetching the data? Which value you want to take? The targeted column is name. That means the grade value should be 10. In the particular row, I want to fetch the value from the name column. After that, what I am going to do? I am going to store the value in a variable called a name. Okay. Cell value has been stored into a variable called a var name. It's not name actually. You can also can termed as a var name. Var name. Okay. Var name. Okay. See here, the compiler encounters error. There is no column name. See, there is no var name is not declared. Okay. Yeah, here you can see the cell value under a variables where you have declared name. Okay, here you can see generic value name. Okay. So after that, what you are doing? We are just fetching the value. Otherwise, you can change here also. It's not a big issue. Okay, go here, var name. Var name. Okay, var name. Okay, lookup data table. Just go over here. So here var name has been replaced. Okay. So we are just printing the var name. And the lookup data table again. Clear the data table. It empties the data table. All the names are remain 0. There's no value. Then output data table. And we are just storing into the text. After that, we are just look up the data table. Again, we are looking for this one. And the grade, var name and all. Nothing will be stored. Yeah. Let me know if you have any questions.
Dabba post office.
Swami Vijaya, Mallikarjun. Any doubts, Mallikarjun? If you have any questions, doubts regarding data table, please ask. Really, really very, very important concept. Especially if you are facing interviews, they would ask a lot of questions on data tables. At least for 2 questions they would ask on data table if we go for a RPA developer role. Okay, I'm presuming that you don't have any questions. Yeah. Shall we go ahead? Now I want to explain today recording types. Okay. So I'm going to create new project. Just quickly create a new project. I'm going to create a process, new process. Okay. So I'm going to click workflow. Inside this workflow, I'm going to record quickly. Okay. Just go to activities. Just drag and drop an activity here. Done. Okay. Sequence has been added. Go inside. Just go to recording. Okay. Basics recording. Shall we go recording? Basic recording. First, let me explain what is the difference between basic recording, desktop, web, image, native statistics, and computer vision. See, basic recording, it generates a full selector of each activity, and there is no container activity. That is the reason it takes a lot of time to execute your process automation. Okay, since it is going to generate a full selector for each and every activity, it takes a lot of time. Okay, then coming to desktop, which is suitable for all type of desktop based application. It generates a container also. Inside container, we are going to have a child activities and uses a partial selectors for each and every activity. Then coming to web, this is suitable for web applications and browsers. It also generates a container and uses the click and other web-based activities. Okay, and then image, this is designed for recording a virtualized environments like VMCs, VM, Citrix, or SAP, SAP. Okay, so this is a really very useful when you are going to automate image-based applications, and it permits only image, text, and keyboard automation. Then coming to native Citrix, suitable for desktops and apps, virtualized through Citrix technology. Okay, so native Citrix is suitable for desktops and apps virtualized through Citrix technology. And computer vision, this is used to record. This is used to record where computer vision based activities, especially the applications which are running on a remote missions, can be automated using a computer vision. Okay, so let's see first basic. Okay, open. If you open basic, automatically these buttons will come: record, start application, click, type, copy, element, text, image, and so on. Which application you want to use? Actually, tell me which application you want to use. Shall we use UI? Where is UI? Oh. Okay, this one will take. We'll start an application. Start app. Start. Which application? We'll take this application. Okay, this is an application. Okay. Explorer.exe. This is an application, but I don't want this. Okay, just open this application. Okay, cancel it. Let me just go to start application. Yes, this one I'm going to start. Okay, this is the path, arguments, start. Okay, just click OK. Okay, now it has been opened. Now what I would have to type, right? So just click this one and go and show here. Okay. Okay. I really forgot the username and password for this application. Please wait. Okay, I enter admin here. I just try I'm not sure. Okay. Enter. Okay. Why it's not taking? Let me try once again. Okay, fine. Okay. Now again, type once again. Type password. Password. Okay. First time delete and then password. You have entered password. Okay, password has been entered. Now click. This time click, right? So click, 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 click. Done. Entered. Okay. Now, okay, I want to enter few more details. How to enter few more details? Click operation is there, right? I want to perform a click operation. See, select item, checkbox, and click. 3 operations you can perform over here. Okay. So again, I want to enter some data. Type can be used. Type cash in. How much cash in? Cash in 12,000. I'm going to enter. Okay. 12,000. I am entering cash in. Okay. Okay. Honest check, not honest check. Okay. Some details I am just entering. Okay. Type. Okay. And again type. Okay. 6,000. Otherwise, I will take 5,000. 5,000. Okay. Just enter again 5,000. Right. So the total deposit is 18,000 total. Okay. So shall we click cash count? We'll check first of all what happens. We click cash count. Nothing is there. It disabled anyway. Okay. So what is the other? Here you can see mouse operations can be used. Okay, and then keyboard operations can be used, controls can be used, find elements, find element, wait for a element vanish, window. Okay, text. What are the things you can check? Copy text, set text, select text and copy. Okay, and so on. Right. So coming to images, what are the operations? You can find image, wait for image, and then a mouse operations. Okay. Now what we are going to do? Click accept. Okay, 18,000 is there here. These are total deposits, right? So this is also not editable anyway. Let me click. Shall we click here? Click. Okay. Yes. Click. Okay. So whenever you click, automatically the data get removed. That's all. It doesn't do anything. Okay. So going to exit the application now. Okay. Again, just click operation. Click exit. Done. Okay. Stop recording. Save and exit, right? Save and exit. That's all. Very simple. See, automatically it has recorded all the values. Okay. So while recording, we do some mistakes. So please take care of this kind of mistakes. Control yes. Okay. So what is the name of this project? This is actually basic recording. Okay. Basic recording. Rename it. Basic. Okay. Let's click OK. That's it. Run this program. Run it. Okay. Okay. Wonderful. Okay. Wonderful. Okay. Okay. Super. That's it. Exit. Right? Are you guys clear now? Everybody. Everybody, quickly. Is it clear? Mallikarjun, Swami, Vijaya.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is actually basic recording. That's all. Very simple. Okay, my advice: don't use any kind of recording. Okay. You can ask this question: why you are why you are learning then? For learning purpose, we are learning. That's all. Okay. For learning purpose, you are learning basically. Got
Sir,
it?
what is the main use of recording in Uipath, sir?
See, recording those who are very new and those who want to quickly automate application quickly, they don't have much time. At that time, they use a recording. Ideally, if you have a experienced, if you are a experienced developer, we never ever use recording. Yeah, clear?
Okay, sir.
We never use. Why? You can ask this question, why, sir? You said rapidly you can develop test scripts. Rapidly you can automate the process. Then why we can't use, sir? Yes, there is a reason. See, the recorded activities are not consistent. Sometimes may execute successfully, sometimes may not execute successfully. That is the reason. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Clear? So I'm going with again one more recording type. That this time I'm going to use a basic recording. Okay. Start application. Okay, this is a Chrome. Start. Okay, started. Okay, after starting, what you have to do? Okay, so enter. We need to enter, right? Okay, cannot access the indicated browser window. You cannot have internal browser. Okay, new page or the new. Oh, fine. So we can't automate. That's what it is telling. Okay, fine. Type then. Type. So we can't enter the values also then. Yeah, it's asking fine. Okay. So www.saucdemo.com. Just a second, yeah. Hello. Yeah. Hi, yes, Srini. We are calling from Control AI Software Technologies. This is Vasu Reddy. Are you looking for any ETL training? ETL. Only ETL, or are you looking for automation testing also? Okay. So currently working. Oh, it is for your consultant. Okay. So may I know your requirement exactly so I can help you better? Shall I call back otherwise? In another 15 minutes. Right now I'm in training. I will call. Thank you. Okay, entered username. That means URL. What next? Nothing. We have to enter. Okay. To enter, what we have to do? We simply entered only source demo. But again, I have to enter. Right? Enter. Send keys. What is the send keys you are going to send this time? Okay. Enter. This is a send keys. Okay. So we missed that one anyway. See here, the key is enter. Enter is the key. Where is enter key? Enter. This is enter. Okay. This is what you have to do. Click OK. Okay. That's it. So what next? Type here. What do you want to type? Standard. Okay. User. That's all. Okay. Again, empty field first and then enter. Okay. and go out here, enter. Okay, fine. Then type again password. Okay, what is the password? Password is secret_SAUC secret. Okay, then empty the field first. Okay, this is a type password basically. Okay, so type password SECRET_SAUCE. Okay, then click again. I don't want to click. Okay, what I want to do then? I want to find an element first. Okay, find an element. Okay, how to find an element? Find an element for this login button. Okay, see, click on, yeah, now find element has been given. Find means we are just checking whether the element is existed or not. Okay, so control, select item, keyword, mouse, find. Okay, find element. Okay, and then next one, Windows, close is not required anyway. Then click again. Okay, shall we click? Click. Okay, again click. Otherwise, this time I will apply images. Okay, find an image. Find an image. Okay, this is an image, right? Find an image. That means we are just checking for this image, whether this image is there or not. Okay, optically indicate a relative region. Okay, optionally, this is optional, but if you want to indicate a relative region for this image, you can do that. Okay. What do you do? Okay. So again, image, find an image. This time I'm checking whether this image is available or not, right? Okay. Indicate a relative region again for this. This is a relative region, right? Done. Okay, enough. Then click again. Clicked. Okay, clicked. Again clicked. Okay, and what else we can do here? Select item. Check boxes are there. Yeah, select item you can use. Okay, select item here. Okay, which one you want to select? Shall we select this? Yeah, Z to A. Yeah, I'm going to select this. Okay, just click OK. Done. Yeah, now I'm going to, what else is there? Checkbox. Do you have any checkbox? No, currently we don't have any checkbox. Leave it. Yes, click is there. So image also there. Find an image, wait for an image to disappear from an indicated UI element. Okay. What about text? Mouse, scrapping shall we apply? Otherwise, scrapping. Okay. Set text, select and copy. Okay. Okay, I will select this text. So, oh, sorry. Click. I'm going to click here. Okay, came finally. Okay, and again click. That's a click only, right? But here we have options available. If you want to add, actually. So what do we do? Type. Okay, type. So shall we type 2? Okay, empty field 2. Okay, enter. Okay, again type. This time I'm going to give a 2. Do you want to use an anchor? does not have a reliable selector. Target can be identified more reliably by specifying the relative element anchor that has a fixed attributes. Okay, fine, no issues. I'll take this one. Okay. So enter 2 here. Enter 2. Why it's not changing? Okay, so okay, fine then. Check out. Again, type Alex. Again, type G1. Okay. Again, type. Okay. Empty field. Come here. Okay. Enter. Okay. Again, click this time. Click. 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 That's it. Okay. Finally, I think click operation need to perform. Okay. Click. Click. Okay. Right. Again, one more click. Click. Okay. So go up. Again, one more click. Click. Okay. Yeah. This time you have to apply mouse operations. Okay. Where is mouse operations? Mouse, mouse, mouse. Click only, but mouse operations you have to apply. Okay. Element, mouse operations. Okay. Mouse. Okay. Click and click relative. Double click hover. First you have to hover, right? So we have to hover here. After hover here, you have to click. Okay. Click. Click. Okay. So now close application. Close application. Close it. So closed. Okay. Save and exit. That's all. Man, it took a lot of activities, but I am not sure where it works fine or not. Okay. 2 and all is not required, but basically you see. Let's see. Yeah. Just run this program. Why it's going here? Why? I think I have given wrong arguments. Okay, let me close this. Where is here, right? Stop it. Run from here. Okay, run this activity. Okay, now it's working fine. Okay. Got stuck again. So this is the reason I don't record. Okay. So it's waiting for this. So again, we need to stop it here. Stop it. Okay. So just remove this off. It's not required. Remove this one also not required. Okay. Then from here, I think you can. Okay, this is also not required. Send keys and all. Now from here onwards, it is required again. Okay. Just go here. Run from this activity. Okay. Continue. Why it is going here? See, this is a problem. See, we have taken a lot of time to record, but it's not working. Okay. Open Chrome fine, but selecting an element is gone again. Stop it. Okay. You go here. Control X. Come here. Control V. Okay. So I'm just running it once again. It is taking, but it's not entering the values. Password and all it's taking, but it's not entering, right? See? Not entering all these values. So we just add here. Okay, we just add an element here. We just click. Okay, we stop here first. Stop. Okay. Just go up. After entering, what you have to do, click operation I want to perform. Okay. Click. Where do you want to click? This is where you want to click. Okay, right. Okay. And then again, there is one more click. Empty. Okay. Otherwise, type into. This is a type into. Okay. Type into. Okay. Before type into, what you have to do? Before empty, empty field. This option you have to enable it. That's all. Okay. Empty field. What do you want to enter? The text. Okay. Here I am going to put in double quotes. Okay. Standard user. Okay, that's it. Standard user. Double quotes. Right. Let's scroll down. Standard user. Just remove this off. It's not required now anymore. Okay. Control S. Run once again. Before going to run, close all the browsers. Closed. Run. Okay. Super. Excellent. Super. What happened? Username and password does not match. There is some issue. STANDARD. STAM we have entered. That's why. Okay. Don't worry, you can fix it. Okay, you can definitely fix it. Don't worry. Standard. Stop it here. No. Okay. Yeah. Standard user. That's all. Activate true, and then empty field is true, and then simulate type is not required. Click before typing. Yes, click before typing. Okay. And this one also. Click before typing. Here I'm talking about type password. You see, type password is an activity which you have to take it. Inside this sequence, we have a get password first. Okay. So this is a password we have to enter, and this is the result gets stored into password. That for same password you have password. Type into password. That's it. Okay. So activate, and then an empty field fine. Click before typing. Okay. Control S. That's it. Is it clear? All of you? Quickly. Yes. Run once again. That is the reason I don't record. Got it right? Why people prefer to add activities manually instead of recording? Is it clear? Yes, no, yes. Copy. Okay. Copy is, I think, copying text. Copy selected text. Okay. Yeah, just click continue. Okay. Just click check out. Okay. Alex Z15654 something. Okay. Then go to logout. Yes, closed. Okay. So again, there's a one activity which is not working. That is this activity. Okay, which activity? Copy text is there, right? Copy selected text. This is not working. Okay. So it just copied from this element. Copied from here. Result gets stored over here. Result gets stored over here. Okay. And copy text value. But you have to use some right line. Anyway, I'm just commenting for time being. I'm just disabling this activity. That's all. Now we are clear how to record. How to record web applications also through basic mode. Okay, run once again and check. Yes, done. Hope you are clear, all of you now, how to record web application through basic mode. Vijaya, Mallikarjun Swami, quickly. Any doubts? Mallikarjun Swami, Vijaya. Hello, Vijaya,
Yes, sir.
Mallikarjun Swami, are you clear? If you don't
Yes,
have
sir.
any questions, I'm going to wind up the session for today. Tomorrow, no class, please practice. We'll again catch up on Monday.
Okay, sir.
Mallikarjun, any questions, Mallikarjun?
No question. Any doubts? I have to call you. I will call you.
Okay, cool. Okay then. Thanks for joining. Happy weekend also. We'll catch up on Monday again. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.